assisted living necessities. In case of severe weather, every assisted living facility should have a generator that will power your electricity, and that includes your lights and electric stove, so you can cook your food for your residents, as well as they can have heat during the cold. So you should have a generator. And if you do not have a generator, you should have at least a gas stove or gas heat. So here is your gas tank that supplies the gas for the heating system and the gas stove. So in short, every assisted living facility needs to prepare for power outages, snow, etc., and should at least have a generator that will support cooking of your food, to continue to have lights and heat, and or a gas tank that will supply gas to a gas stove for cooking, and will supply gas to a gas heating system to supply heat during a day like today. And you can see all the snow on the ground. So this is a quick video of some necessities that you need at your assisted living facility or family care home to make sure your residents are safe, secure, and warm and fed. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video.